an emotional gesture, villagers of Kallipura near Kolar town performed a traditional baby shower ceremony for a pregnant German breed cow on Monday. Basavaraj, popularly known as Dairy Basavaraj, has been involved in dairy farming for over 3 decades. However, due to a shortage of labor, his family recently decided to discontinue dairy farming and sell their last remaining pregnant cow. Although several buyers showed interest, the family ultimately sold the cow to their relative and neighbor Kausalya. Before handing over the animal, the family performed all rituals associated with a traditional baby shower ceremony. The cow was decorated with flowers, rangoli was drawn in front of the house, and sweets and savories were distributed. Women from the neighborhood performed aarti and sang traditional songs as part of the ceremony. The cow was later taken in a procession through the village. Kausalya stated that she purchased the cow for 1.35 lakh rupees and named it Lakshmi, expressing hope that it would bring prosperity to her family. The cow is expected to deliver in the first week of June. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.